good afternoon, good evening, whenever you come across my video. Yes, thank you for those that have subscribed. This is Mommy D&D Kitchen. Thank you for those that have subscribed already in my channel. For those that have not yet subscribed, what are you guys waiting for? Hurry up, go and subscribe and see what I'm doing there. I'm not just on YouTube to play or to do anything. Just go there and click on it and see. I just have all these things in my mind that is going around. I'm really angry. You understand? Because of the video, several videos I have watched about husband killing their wives. Please, if you are in any relationship, you are not free. Let me put it like that. You are not free. You are with a couple that is giving you pepper body. May I use pidgin English? When they give us pepper body, if you do any relationship of a thing, for me, I think say now to love each other. Now to love, why it can't be say today killing, tomorrow this one, next tomorrow. My dear sisters and brothers, because this one is not only our brothers, because women are still killing their husband also. You understand? If you do any relationship, say that relationship not they give you joy, it not they give you peace. My people, may we not come more there. If they love you, you be single mother, you be single father, you dey alive, it better pass. Now the truth I dey tell you now, it better pass. Say at the end, you come the right, rest in peace for your picture. I really dey vex since then. I no get myself. Question when I dey ask before all these things. Now so relationship be. Una dey first year, love the sweet. Second year, love the sweet. Third year, character don't change. You understand? My sister, run for your dear life. Because now eggs when they are alive, now they take care of children. Eggs when they are alive, now they take care of children. If you say today na problem, tomorrow na problem, but you dey try your best to make sure say make the relationship work, and you know they work. My dear, run for your dear life. And if you know say na your fault that problem they come from, na your fault as the woman. You know say I dey with this man not be like this. Suddenly it change. Wetin come make am change? You know say na anytime when you do wetin no suppose, na this man dey hurt you. You need to change. You understand? If you change, the man go still change. But if you say you know they do anything, maybe because of one thing, because some people go they say now money, this money of a time, no they look like anything. Now the truth I dey tell now, I know they look this money as anything. Money no go fit make person you go come because of money kill your partner. Are you stupid or what? When they say today killing, tomorrow killing. And for those people, when they come out, they talk saying she won't be single mother. You people should stop all those nonsense. Una not dead that relationship. Una not dead with them for house. Una not know waiting both of them they pass through. Maybe the woman come make me decide, okay, I beg, I want to come up for this relationship. I not get peace of mind. I not get joy for this relationship. You go come out. If she don't come out, you come out. They say, she is because of the money. It's because you guys should stop that. You understand? Nobody go see sugar. Say they put sugar for a month. You go see no go eat them. He no go lick them. Nobody. When I get me so, nobody. Now you wear shoe you now, you know where they hurt you. For that reason, if you date that relationship, violence relationship, my dear, quit. Also with men, if woman tell you say he no wants you again, carry your things, they go. Carry your things, they go, because you don't know that woman mind. Do you understand? Once woman don't decide, say I no need you again, I beg, the love don't die, I no want again. My brother, not take and say na violence they use. You don't try, make she understand. She know the green, she still they insist, say she no need the relationship. My brother, they go. Because that kind of woman, he go fit see anything when go kill you, he go give you chop. You understand? So also with women, if you not their relationship, so una not get peace of mind. Una don't try make that relationship work, you know they work. I beg waka they go. Then say your enemy come die tomorrow, you go put children for suffer. Children go they suffer. I use my pa and mama, beg all of una. I use God when they heaven, beg all of una. Quit violence relationship. You understand? Because I don't see home when they sweet. When one person go say, who they inside go say, I want come out, in no day. I not go fit come now, go put sugar for your mouth, you go throw away, I know. You will remain with me because that sugar they there. My place they sweet. Now place where no sweet. Now person they say, I beg, I no fit they there. I need to come out. You now understand me so. Imagine that small girl now when your husband kill now for Germany. Imagine now say that girl don't fit come out now because of she want be single mother. She want be single mother. Make her go back, but see her life today. Not be rest in peace. All of una they post in picture who they post and they post am. You understand? But when she quit, now they say we when they talk so. Now they say we they accuse her. They say go back because of money. See her now. If person take that girl that day now say you now that day be your life last day for life, she no go believe. She no go believe. But see her, I use my pa and mama beguna. I use God when they heaven. If you are in any relationship, you don't have joy, you don't have peace of mind, my dear, carry your bag and baggages and leave that relationship. You hear? If you dey alive, you take care of your children. You better pass say another person take care of them all. Imagine now those two children now when that small girl gets now. Only God know. Children now go grow now. They tell her history. Your packy, your ma. Your packy, your ma. That one award. That one award, my people. That one award. Now waiting children supposed to hear. I use God beg everybody. If you are in a violence relationship, quit. Quit oh. Before another story go come dey happen. I beg. I use God beg all of una. I no see wetin dey for me. If they talk say now because of money, because I no dey believe, I no get that time. Wetin be money? Money go come make you take somebody life when you no know how they take create am. My dear, we need to wake up. May we change. You as a woman, look, if now your character in case for they talk in the favor of those when they say not be money, maybe the man character no good. You dey feel say he go change. That one still there. So more for our women that they say the man go change. the man go change. My dear, if you see say the man no change, I beg, waka comot. Una hear? I use God when they heaven and earth beg una, waka comot. Not believe say you fit change am. E no go change, e no go change. You understand? Waka, tell am say we know dey quarrel. Give am access to im children. But waka comot. Save your life for the sake of your children. For the sake of your children, waka comot. We know dey quarrel. You fit come dey see your children. Give her access to im children, no problem. Say you go still dey that relationship, all the name say, hey, you go change your marriage because of children. My dear, save your life. Because if you dey alive, now you go know say how those children future go be. If you don't go, you no go know how their future go be again. Oh. You no go know. That dream when you get, say, now so I want me my children life be. Save your life to make sure say their dream come true. Save your life to make sure say their dream come true. Because you know fit dey pray say, God give me the strength as a mother, may I take care of my children. May one be lawyer, may one be barrister, may one be this one, may one be this one. At the end, you can't go. My dear, don't believe say those your dream go come true for the life of those children. It take the grace of God. You understand? It take the grace of God. You understand? I beg una. I beg una. If you are in any relationship, you know they get joy. Every day sadness. Some of our ladies day when they say if the man they go work, they go get peace of mind. When they say peace of mind, they go there boldly for house. Once they check so time. Once they don't they reach the time when that matter they come house, they don't put their hearts for zinc. For zinc, they don't put their hearts for zinc. Fear, sickness. I use God beg una. If you dey any relationship like that, I beg quit. Now beg me day. I beg quit. Then you can cut your life short. Or because say I don't want me they laugh me. Who they not laugh, they go cry. Who they not laugh? That girl, she be no believe say she go be RIP today. If Percy tell her say, now this man had you go pass be RIP, he no go believe. He go nearly want to chop you when talking. But today uncle, that boy now, the father of his children now, he dey prison, that way go reach now. Later 6 months, they go leave her. They go leave her. But she not even did this life again. Talk like say, they won't even leave her for where he dey. No, you don't go, you don't go. Children now. She don't destroy her children's future. I pray, may God protect those children. You understand? I use God beg all of us. I use God beg everybody. This is my only piece of advice. This is my only piece of advice. I don't get anything because since that day when I see all those videos, those things, I dey think and say, God, what it be all this? I say, okay, man, can still give a little piece of advice. Not only that one I go fit do. Because if to say I know this lady in question, I for advice her on my own. Girl, come over there. But she's nowhere to be found now. You understand? I beg everybody. If you watch this my video, help me to share. If you have not yet subscribed, subscribe. This is Mommy D&D. Now, so I be, oh, see my face. Hope I ugly. I know, say I ugly. Thank you, guys. God bless you all as you share my video. Bye.